Hello and welcome. My name is Mike Persley, and today is November 6th, 2025. And we're going to go over Origin Smart Contract for 2025. We're almost in our second year of the Origin contract. The recommendation is MetaMask Wallet. And what I'm going to do is just give you some brief overview information and show you some results and just show how lucrative and how well a smart contract can do as it can compound. The token is the LGNS token. The value is currently $11 plus. How can you get into the Origin smart contract or get started? It will be in the crypto toolbox, which I will show you in just a few minutes. You'll be using the Polygon network. Which tokens do you need? You'll be using Polygon, which will be to cover the gas fees, and Polygon stablecoin, the DAI coin. Current liquidity is $4.9 billion. You'll be able to earn every 8 hours and it compounds. As I said, you can compound. The best staking is the short-term staking right now. There will be also some long-term staking, and if you follow my videos and information, you'll be able to see more of that. I do provide a free Zoom call, show you exactly what you would be doing and how to set it up. You can see below, there's my email address. Please contact me and ask for some additional information, or you would like to do a Zoom call. Okay? What we're going to do now is I'm going to show you the Crypto Toolbox. The Crypto Toolbox is a free platform that was designed to show and implement anything to do with crypto, how to buy, how to earn, how to spend, and it has a lot of features. You can share it with friends, let them see all the aspects of it. But for today, we're going to be looking at the Origin smart contract. So once you log in, as I mentioned, this is totally free. There'll be a link in the description area. So you'll go to, once you've logged in, you'll go to the earning section. There's some information here, how to unlock the power of diversification between the smart contracts. And the staking is low to medium risk. Today, we're just going to go over the Origin contract, which has a $9 billion liquidity. I'm sorry, a $4.9 billion liquidity. And so you just click on the link, and it's going to give you a presentation of what Origin is all about, the privacy, and the protocols. What is the DAO system? Okay. The security and peace of mind. The system has gone through a CertTech audit. An LGS is a algorithmic non-stable coin, but the DAI coin is a stable coin. You'll be able to see right here 3 options to see the value of the LGNS token. And are you ready to start staking and earning passive income? Here's how to set up a MetaMask wallet. Here's how to use the BitUnix system that you can go in and swap and use your crypto to be able to get the Polygon and the DAI. And then the last video is how to set up and purchase and begin staking. Okay? If you're looking for how to find the bit Unix, you'll go into the buying crypto section, and you'll come down, you'll scroll down, and you'll see right here, step 2, cut fees and unlock more trading opportunities. Watch the tutorial here, and it will help you get in. This is a decentralized exchange. Okay? So now with the small or the ending section, I'm going to go over the last week's earnings that I showed. And I'm staking currently at 90 LGNS tokens, and I'm staking them last week. There was a 4.6 billion liquidity. Okay. And so I took 90 coins by $11.65 per coin. So I had 1,048.50. So this week's update, as you can see, I have now 95 LGNS tokens. Okay, so the staking and compounding are working. It compounds every 8 hours. So you see the stake, it was, 8 hours, and then the next one starts again. So you're constantly earning and compounding every 8 hours. So I went up 5 tokens from the last time I shared. So I'm at 95 by 1165. So that's $1,106.75. So I just took that, subtracted last week's value, and I've increased my profit at 58.25. Okay, so the staking is doing very good, and I hope that you will like, subscribe, and make a comment on the video, and get back with me, and let's do a Zoom call and let you get started. You can start this at a very low cost. You can start even with $25. It'll be $20 in DAI and $5 in Polygon. Polygon is for the gas fees. And definitely we'll be going over more of that as we get going with the system. But this is a very good opportunity to compound and earn. And I mean, nothing better than the eighth wonder of the world, compounding, and I'm consistently earning every 8 hours. So thank you for your time. I hope that you will like, comment, and subscribe. Till my next video, have a great day.